When you go to Korean market, 호떡 주세요. 응? Give me 호떡, please. Dried yeast.
This one also pour? All?
Good. 아이고, 스푼.
What spoon?
스푼. You don't know spoon. 진짜. 귀찮아. We have to prepare oil. Mix jam mix, dough and pretzel. First, oil. Put your hand. Spread well and then big spoon. Oh, big, too big, many big. Make fold well. Folding side under. Here, right? Come over.
Press?
Press. Press well? Easy? Come over. Let's go.
This one? Yet pa uy.
It's okay. Already. Press well. You always try it.
Turn na this one.
Take out.
The first one.
Brown sugar and cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
But
Asukar o cinnamon.
similar with cinnamon, but in Korean, kepi, little bit different cinnamon and nuts. Try, just try. Korean hotdog.
Delicious, oy.
Delicious, oil.
Maybe you want like this.
Of course, it's for baby, for kids. 한다빈, 야미. 맛있어요. 한다빈, what are you going to make today? What is hotdog?
Korean
Sweet
sweet.
pancake. This is Baec hotdog mix. How much this one? 150. This one 150 pesos. You can make this hotdog around 8 pieces. Okay, here is hotdog jam mix. This is sugar, cinnamon sugar, and then this is hotdog mix powder, and then backside there is yeast. Don't forget this. You just put the mixing bowl, hotdog, mixed flour, put all in the mixing bowl, and then this one yeast. What's that?
Mul.
This 180, right? If your place is cold, you use warm water. But here, very hot place because I'm in the Philippines. Ready? Put there.
All?
After melting, put all. This is 180 ml now.
I'll put all na.
Many.
Maghuwat tara dire.
Okay. Put oil on your hand. Enough.
Oh, not time.
This one, hotdog jam mix, the powder in the pot. But this one, Korean mandu, inside the mandu. You can put any ingredients inside the hotdog. It's just my invention. Around big 2 spoons. Oh baby, oh kids, just put sugar. I'll make for you. Maybe too low fire. This is baboy meat, chopped baboy meat, but this one already cooked. Oh no.
Oh, really?
Brownie and who? Where's another boy?
Really go home because it's raining. Okay, why? Oh, you need.
Sairi? Yummy?
Yes.
한가빈?
Yes.
Yummy?
Kami. Kami. Kami.
No crunchy, right?
Huh?
No crunchy.
Yeah.
Salong.
Because of kimchi mandu.
It's the meat.
You like pizza, hotdog, tteokbokki,
That's all.
and then what?
Manok.
Mano,
Ham.
ham,
Fish.
fish.
Kabo.
Kabaw.
Okay, we're gonna make hot dog. We'll make small hot dog, mini hot dog with ice cream. Korean calls this hot dog ice cream. I'll pour hot dog mix powder. This one 2 pack of hot dog mix. This one dry yeast. We'll cook 2 packs now. So this one 360 ml of water, okay, and then melt well, and pour this. Pour. First, use scoop or spatula, and later, I'll use my clean hand. Okay, first put this oil on your hand. Today I'll make small. Make ball around golf ball size. But it's up to you. You can make this bigger than this. But I'll make today mini hot dog. Then around half tablespoon. But it's up to you. It depends on you. And hold well. And then when you put on the frying pan, put this on folding side. And then when you put this on the frying pan, this is folding side. Okay?
Yes.
Good. First turn over. First turn over and then press. Okay, that one. Yeah, spatula more good, I think. That's good. If you don't have like this presser, just use spatula. Spatula better for me. Not too strong press. One plate. Give me one plate. This is plate. And then put down one hot dog. But we need to cut this. Where is scissor? Go on. Cut this. Half only because this is mini hot dog. Like this. Cut this. And then ice cream. Very nice.
Spread.
Okay, like this. And hot dog is hot. This is cold. Eat together like this. 야, where's Dachi? Dachi, come here. Dachi, here. Dachi, you eat one more. You special one. Happy New Year.